Karong buntaga mga kapuso sa spotlight, mas ila-ilahon pata kining Pinay beauty queen nga naghatag og garbo sa nasod karong bag-o kay nalangkat niya ang first runner-up sa Miss Grand International 2020. Makauban nato karong buntaga sa programa mga kapuso si Miss Samantha Bernardo. Good morning Miss Samantha, welcome sa programa. How are you this morning Miss Sam?
Mabuti! Good morning to everyone and thank you so much GMA Regional TV Live for having me this morning.
It's a privilege to have you this morning Miss Samantha and congratulations po sa performance mo sa Miss Grand International. How are you feeling? Nag-sink in na ba Miss Sam yung first runner-up finish mo?
Actually, nag-sink in na siya, pero hindi ko pa nararamdaman because it's a conventional beauty pageant right? Because we are experiencing, as you know, COVID-19 pandemic. I am still in quarantine here in Metro Manila and hindi pa ako nakakalabaws when it comes to outside world. Unlike before na talagang wini-welcome tayo ng mga Pilipino, but now, hindi siya pwede. But it's already sink in and I hope I bring pride and honor to our country.
You sure did Miss Sam. Matanong lang namin, kailan ka nagsimulang naging interesado sa pagsali sa mga beauty pageants, Miss Sam? At anong motivation mo?
Actually, hindi ko talaga pinangarap maging beauty queen ever since nung bata ako. Pero nung 20 years old ako, pagka-graduate ko ng college sa Palawan, meron nag-invite lang sa akin na sumali ng Mutya ng Palawan. And may nakadiscover din sa akin doon na sinabi nila na win or lose, kailangan mo sumali sa, Miss World Philippines. And that's when my pageantry started.
How did you feel, Miss Samantha, nung ikaw ang piniling mag-represent sa country for the Miss Grand International Pageant?
Nako, nasa Boracay, Philippines pa ako that time. Naka 10 missed calls pa bago ko pa nasagot. And sobrang saya kasi as you know, I joined Binibini Pilipinas 3 times, di ba? Yun talaga yung pangarap ko before. Maka-represent lang talaga ako ng Pilipinas and I know na kahit anong mangyari doon, magiging masaya ako.
How was it like sa pageant, Miss Sam? I mean, was the competition very stiff or parang nangibabaw yung camaraderie, your friendship niyo among the other candidates?
Actually, it's both because we are so busy and every day we have a lot of activities. So from day one pa lang, we have interviews, we have dance. So lahat ng mga dance choreography namin, sinend na yun sa amin. And every day nagpa-practice pa din kami via Zoom and we send our videos for them para paglabas namin ng quarantine perfect na. And bukod pa doon, meron pa akong online trainings with my pasarela and Q&A and also with my speech. So, ang dami kong ginagawa, pinapractice ko din yung national costume ko kasi I don't have the chance to wear that. Even yung evening gown ko. So, ang dami kong ginagawa, it's because wala akong masyadong preparations here at the Philippines. Pero yung friendship andun pa din Kasi all of us are just so grateful to be there and hindi mo talaga mafe-feel yung competition. Kaya nga sabi nila parang ito talaga yung the best batch ng MGI.
Can you tell us about your experience, Miss Samantha, sa final question about the COVID-19 dose? Will you give it to a senior citizen or to a 15-year-old na Filipino?
Ako talaga, yun talaga yung sagot ko. Wala na akong mababago doon. I will still give it to the senior citizens because I know na talagang meron tayong stamina to resist the COVID-19 pandemic and hindi talaga tayo masyadong vulnerable when it comes to COVID-19 pandemic, COVID virus. So yun talaga yung nasa puso ko and that time, yun talaga yung nasabi ko. It really speaks from my heart and I know it is sentimental, but I also know that it has a scientific value and research about it.
Are you interested to try acting?
If given the opportunity, why not? I have also friends that are really asking me about that, but I haven't really explored that option that much. So, given the chance, hopefully after ko mag-quarantine, it will open doors for me as well. And who knows?
Or singing?
Pero pangarap ko talaga mag-TV host. TV hosting.
Wow. Or singer ba daw, Miss Samantha?
Wow, parang hindi ata yung senior. Parang mahirap ata yun, Sir Nico.
What advice would you like to give to aspiring beauty queens out there?
Wow, if you really want something, go for it. Now is the time to really reflect on yourself, know yourself. Because if you will be competing in a International Pageant or pageant here at the Philippines, wala kang ibang dadalhin kundi ang sarili mo lang. So dapat talaga yung drive and yung determination manggagaling sa'yo.
And to cap this off, Miss Samantha, yung message mo po sa mga viewers at mga fans mo this morning.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng suporta nyo. I am back and I am here and I hope to meet you all soon kung po pwede lang. And please keep supporting us. You can follow my journey at Samantha Bernardo in Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. God bless everyone.
Thank you so much. It was nice to have you this morning. God bless. Mga kapuso, first runner-up sa Miss Grand International, Miss Samantha Bernardo. Salamat, Miss Samantha.
Thank you, Sir Nico.
Thank you.